41.4 million for Uniform Echo Charlie.
All right, good morning, guys. Good morning. How we doing? Man, yesterday ended up being a great day. 4,400 bucks. Just let's see. So I got a couple extra trades in. On the master account, I think I ended up basically 600 bucks each, and these guys, couple of middle trade there, and then these guys, just a basic 2, but man, it was fire. Yesterday was fire. And it was easy. Like I didn't get in trouble. I didn't, I didn't really get upside down. Didn't have to fight anything. Just things were just working. It was great. And yeah, very happy with that. So same plan today. We're just slowing down, taking our time. We're not forcing stuff. We're not chasing. We're not. If we miss, we miss. It's okay. Give ourselves grace. And there you go. Would it be hilarious, or would it be hilarious? I don't know. My humor is a little weird, but maybe. All right, let's see here. So, we don't know. Hey, relax. Hi, Buggy. Another man giving you a hard time, puppy, huh? All right, so let's see what we got. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Definitely running behind this morning. I've not got enough caffeine through. I have not got any. I haven't read the news, so we'll spend the first couple minutes of here scrolling the news, seeing what happened overnight. The overnight session looked fairly benign. I don't even know why I bother. I was gonna see what the range is, but I can't see. I can't see anything on that monitor. So we got roughly 290 points. And that's 1,100 ticks, so some pretty modest range, pretty decent range. Let's see what else. And let's see, so thank you to the folks using my code. I certainly appreciate that. Let me know what you guys think of BLUENOX. I like them, and here's why. One, the rules are very straightforward, and they're not changing the rules, and there's no drama. So I definitely appreciate that. And I don't know, like the website's a little hokey, a little cheesy, but like the dashboard and stuff, you know, there's definitely other firms that have way prettier dashboards, but is that really what you're paying for? You know, to get some kumbaya pretty website thing? Personally, I don't care. As long as that money is coming, that's all I care. All right, just let the money flow. Could use a DOS terminal. Probably a lot of you guys have no idea what a DOS terminal is. Totally just aged myself there. I'm so lucky that my computer, you know, updated and reset last night, so I get to turn all my programs back on and all that bullshit. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna give it a few minutes out of the gate, anyways. See if we can get a couple of stocks traded. Not really seeing how big 22 ticks is. Pretty small, pretty tiny. I'm guessing that's the ding ding ding, huh? Okay, so PPI numbers this morning, jobless claims this morning. I thought we did jobless yesterday. I need to refresh, reload. Huh, jobless numbers this morning. PPI this morning. PPI coming in flat month over month, 3.2 year over year. PPI is what? Producers Price Index. So that's actually all right. So PPI expecting 3.6%. The last previous was 3.8, and coming in at 3.4. So producer price index, producer costs are going down. Jobless claims 220. You know, it's always a fake number. Always gets revised. All right, then we got an hour for nat gas. 2 hours for the 4-week and 8-week bill auction. So looks like we've already priced in a lot of the news. So we just have to kind of watch watch the price action here. And the plan is to buy dips, sell rips, and do lots of it. There's got to be a way to automate that middle line. Seems like that music is incredibly loud. not doing a very good job paying attention here. That was a fairly decent scoop. Be a chase here to jump in now, but might run back to the middle here. Yeah, worked. Would have worked. All right, PFT, you gotta get going here. Of course, it's on fucking earnings. Okay. Let's get some trades in here. Patience. How are we doing on time? So we're 10 minutes in. Okay. All right. Somehow, it's crazy. I'm just getting this funky, like, time space or time dilution or something where I can't keep track of time.
SATL, South Logic shares at the highs now.
Oh, I don't even know what I'm waiting for here, guys. Kind of just hugging the middle at the moment.
MX magnet chip out with their results. Michael X-ray. Magnet chip reporting 7 cents in earnings. The estimate was a loss of 23 cents, a loss of 19 cents adjusted actually. Magnet chip announcing plans to become a pure play power business to drive higher profitability, maximize shareholder value. That's Michael X-ray.
Nice and scary. Getting a little scary. Okay, let's get ready for this wash. Gonna go in right here. A little more, baby. A little more. There you go. A little more. And not gonna be very big here, just, oh, that's tiny, tiny. Okay, well, $100. Should have used a bigger order. Let's go 44s. Yeah, could have waited.
ABM Industries reporting adjusted earnings of 87 cents. The estimate 78 cents. Alpha Bravo Michael. Revenue of 2.1 billion. The estimate was 2.093 billion. So that's a beat for ABM Alpha Bravo Michael. Coming up earnings from Zim Integrated Shipping. ZIM expecting $3.16. PONY Pony AIX expected to break even on the car measure by the end of 2026. That's PONY.
Okay, well, I definitely like to get everything traded this morning early. I think I have to leave. I have to leave by 8, I think. And we got a shower and shave and all that crap. Alright, so the next trade I'm looking for
Zim reporting. Zim reporting full year revenue of 8.43 billion. Reporting $4.66 per share. The estimate was $3.16. So that's a beat for Zim. Zim shares popping.
Alright, sorry. Just too many things happening all at once. Yeah, I think what I'd like to see is kind of a... Which one is it? That one? Kind of something like this, where it goes really fast, and then we hit that middle, and we reject, and then it can do whatever. I don't really care after that, but that is what I want. Once we're below this entry, it's going to be kind of the bottom for me, or no trade area. You know, something that's worked fairly well for me is not trading in the bottom and not trading on the top.
STEC, Santec, regains compliance with NASDAQ minimum bid price requirements, anti-tango arbitrarily. STEC.
And we got 83% off BLUENOX code 3, and then I don't know what to sell. Okay, yeah, we're probably headed lower. I got the SPY headed lower. And come on, caffeine.
BSTE, Vast Clean Energy Project, secures up to $180 million Australian dollars from Australian Renewable Energy Agency to power South Australia's green and green fuels production. That's Victor Sandy Tango Echo. Shares of Vast Renewables popping to 73 cents at the high, up 24 cents. BSTE. KALV Cal Vista reported a loss of 92 cents.
So just kicking back. Looks like we do have that liquidity zone, pre-market or evening session, whatever you want to call it. Back over here, so we might flush this out, take all that liquidity, and then kind of head back to the middle. But Might not too. Might just be red day.
The estimate on Cal
So
Vista
for now, I'm
was
just gonna sit on our hands.
Victor.
Alright, we had stuff to do.
TRNR, interactive strength, raises $1.6 million in 3-year notes from its existing institutional investor. That is Tango Romeo November Romeo, TRNR.
Alright, so that's pretty much through that liquidity zone. Almost on low a day. Might get a bounce here. You never know. It's certainly fast enough, but I'm just gonna wait. I'm not knife catching. You know, all my accounts are super healthy. So fine with just waiting, right? That's been the biggest change for me. You know, I had quite a lull there for basically Thanksgiving through January. Yeah, just kind of lost my way and forgot how I got all of those payouts last year, and now we're just going to replicate. We're just doing the same thing we did last year with a couple of small modifications. Not trading anything in that bottom quarter or the top quarter, or trying not to. Being more patient with our entries, etc. You know, the guys that can just talk all day and really just talk about nothing, I envy them. That is actually a real talent. You know, how can you pretend to be that interesting when you're talking to an empty room? I don't know. Okay, so let's do a little news review here. Now that we made it through the open, I got one account traded. Let's see what Zero Hedge has to say. Let's see here. America alone is not America first. Okay, we're moving now. Moving. Okay, Putin rejects temporary ceasefire plan and goes to the meeting in military fatigues. Well, that just went from fun day to ugly. Kind of wish I had some like throwaway accounts or brand new accounts. play that wash, but not with these. They're all too close. Like this group is all within a couple $100, and then these are like $700 away, and then this master account is, you know, brand new. All right, these two master accounts. But I think my ADHD is kicking in, guys. It's pretty early for that. $200% tariff on EU alcohol imports. Interesting. Does that mean my Malbecs are gonna triple in price? That's all right. We got some local wines that are amazing. Happy with those too. All right. Bond. BON. Just down and down and down we go. So it's definitely not going to be very exciting here, guys. shortly, so or not. So I think we get back into this liquidity here, might be a little short. And I'm gonna switch to these three. I really feel like that music is really freaking loud. All right, here we go, here we go, a little more. Okay, we're in, and we're out. Okay, nice. That was per the plan. 600 bucks. Puts us about 800 on the day. And I think if we get that opportunity to hit the middle, we will. But quite honestly, that's almost good enough, I think. And then I think our middle probably changed because we had the range expansion. Probably closer to there. And make this a little bigger. And what else were we doing? We were, oh yeah, we were gonna look at the sales for Apex.
NVGS Navigator Gas reported 39 cents. The estimate was 32 cents. That's a beat from November Victor Golf Sandy.
And it looks like their Apex is 80% off right now. And so 80% off Apex. BLAZDDUR, BLAZDDUR. Let's go. Okay, looks like Bond is open again.
ARCO, Arcos Dorados. Reported 28 cents in earnings. The estimate was 21 cents. That's a beat for ARCO. Revenue of 1.14 billion. The estimate was 1.15 billion. That's Alfa Romeo Charlie Oscar. HBIO, Harvard Bioscience, reporting 6 cents in earnings. The estimate was 5 cents. That's a beat for HBIO.
Oh dang, look how close this guy is. He's $8 away. That's funny. Sorry, this guy. $8, baby, $8. Probably get a little bounce right here. Yeah, that would have worked. Another coulda, woulda, shoulda. Okay. Now we might get our middle here. If we do that, then we're probably going to trade our main accounts. some lag there. I'm just pre-positioning my orders because it's getting a little laggy. And hopefully it's quick. Don't give up on me now, baby. You can do it. Just tag me in, bud. Tag me in. Don't give up on it yet. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Yep. Come on, you know you want to. Oh, fucko. Really just want it to be a quickie. Just push it in, baby. Oh, we're gonna miss it by that much. You son of a bitch. Come on, you know you want to. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Get me in. Tap me in, boys.
Sprinkler also reporting non-GAAP EPS of 10 cents for Q4. Ticker CXN.
Okay, you gotta come back now. You fucking piece of shit. You motherfucker. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, you piece of shit. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Oh, you piece of fucking shit. I'm just giving it a... Okay. Fuck you, you fucking piece of shit. Come on, just let me out now. Just let me out. Just let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Come on, a little more. Oh, thank God. Fuck. That one sucked ass. Big time. Okay, I gotta like stand up and get some fresh air, cause motherfucker. Alright, that was pretty funny. Let's mark that. I'm gonna stand up and get some little bit of fresh air. Fuck you. Alright, Flacco. Alright, let's... Hey, good morning, Miramar. Well, it's going perfectly fine, right? We're good. We're healthy. Just scared myself on that last trade. I honestly, I don't know, right? I've just been playing this middle bar for weeks, and you know, it's basically been working, and like working really well. Like it's just, you put it in, it goes, and everything's just magical. But this time I went much further than I expected or anticipated, and scared me, and there was cussing involved, and etc., etc. So it worked out. It was perfectly fine. We're still green, but you know, all those hopes and dreams of getting that payout were flashing in front of my eyes. So a little bit cumbersome. So basically, the theory is if you take the middle of the range, so high to low, the middle, that's this blue bar. It will generally use that bar as support and resistance. So if it's um, if it's coming up like this, it'll generally reject that middle. Or if it's you know, coming this way, it'll generally reject the middle also. So you get this, just this little bounce, and that usually works. It works really good a lot of the time. But today it was a little spicy, You know, it certainly has been working amazingly well for quite a while, last few weeks. But like today, it's just blowing right through it. So, which is fine, right? The market's always going to be dynamic, and we're going to adapt and optimize, that kind of stuff. So, but we're almost at $2,000 today. So, yeah, definitely PPI numbers adds to the volatility. The weirdness. I don't know if you were on my stream when I was talking about the spread a couple days ago. Like all day long, the spread was 7-8 points, and you know, that's usually a good indication that it's going to be super volatile and, you know, dynamic and stuff. But the spread today is tight. You know, it's 2, 3, 4 ticks, mostly 2 3s. So I was kind of expecting it to be pretty well behaved, and you know, that's my fault, right? You know, I shouldn't expect anything. The market's going to do whatever the market does, but man, it scared me. It got that blood pumping. So, how about you? How's your day going? And let's see what else. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. It was just that trade got me, scared me. So I might take a if we fall to like here, we get back here, a nice little waterfall. We might get a bounce here, roughly, and just, you know, just scalps. So let's see, it's going good. Got that quick one on the eval, and now I'm probably going to set up on the PA. Love it, love it. Let's go, let's do it. It's gonna be a fairly fast day for me. I need to be in the office pretty early this morning. Well, relatively early, I guess. And I wouldn't mind one more trade. Look how close these three accounts are, though. We're $100, baby. $200 there, $140, $9 there. One trade, one trade. Just one good trade, right? That's all we need. On these two accounts.
Wealth announced its subsidiary Innosphere integrates DeepSeek, accelerating full-scale transformation into AI fintech. That's Papa Whiskey Michael.
And just watching this pool. Little more. Come on, you can do it. That might be close enough right there. Should have, could have, would have, should have. You know, he's definitely doing. He's he's doing okay. You know, not consistent, right? He's been screwing around for 8 months, so not consistent. But you know, he has a strategy. He's trying to be consistent. He's trying to get there. Oh, I shoulda took it. But he's definitely having fun with it. You know, he's got a great attitude about trading and really just life in general. Um, you know, I'm very, very blessed. He's a good kid and just very, very lucky. All right, I should have took that. That was kind of what we wanted. And yeah, but to your point, you know, he's crazy. He just all in, let it ride, and like he lets it ride for hours, hours and hours and hours, and I just can't do it. Like his trade actually would have been perfect today. So he trades these. Well, actually, he probably would have got smoked today. So he would buy long on the wash here and get, you know, he probably would have got smoked on that extra pool. But he trades the liquidity zones, and you know I trade price action basically, and so he's different strategy, but we still talk about it, and it actually is really fun. You know, he's off to college, so it gives us a reason to talk. You know, almost every day, not every day, but almost. Well, I think we're going to go back to the middle here. Maybe. Suck everyone into that, I guess. You know, so remember you said I'm shocked he hasn't just followed your lead on the strats. He does, seeing that I've gotten payouts, but you know, trading is such a personal thing. You know, it's a personal religion as part of your personality and stuff. And I really think it's one of those things that you have to find your own way. And even if other people help you and show you what they're doing, it won't matter because the strategy has to come within. You know, it has to be your confidence and um, your belief. You know, it's a belief system. You have to believe that what you're doing is likely to work, and that kind of stuff.
I have a problem, Dad.
Sorry about that. Had a little family conference, trying to figure out school schedules and logistics and stuff. So. Well, I think unfortunately, guys, I need to shut it down. I need to go to the office. So, pretty good day. Can't complain. $2,000. $2,000. I got these 3 accounts basically very, very close. One more trade, they'll go through. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Miramar, thank you for showing up and coming by and saying hi and stuff. And we'll do it again tomorrow. See you then, guys. Bye.